Tonight, 12 breathtaking ladies will battle it out for one ultimate glory. The city government of Dagupan, in cooperation with the Dagupan JCI Bangus, proudly bring you Rediscover the Beauty of the City, Miss Dagupan 2011. All roads lead to the city, as the season's most anticipated event concludes tonight, as we set the stage to ushering in the new queen. Feast to this day out of fun that led to a joyous rediscovery on how truly beautiful Dagupan City is. Relish the excitement to the adoring attractions distinctively Dagupan. Marvel on the greens, the sun, the sand, the savor, the cruise, and the main attraction, the Bangus. The ladies paid homage to the epicenter of religiosity in the city, the Metropolitan Cathedral of St. John the Evangelist, the Cathedral of the Archdiocese of Lingayen, Dagupan, an imposing landmark at the corner of Burgos and Kalimlim Streets, visible to parishioners and devotees, even at a great distance. Today, let's revel on the beauty of this newly renovated masterpiece. Showing and sharing her fond experience, Marian Vivian Clata, 20, at the oldest Catholic church in the city. Diwata Petrola, 17, marveling at the new grandiose gates of St. John's Church. Jeanette Gracel, 19, for the elaborate and ornately decked church facade. Charlotte Visperas, 20. The other ladies stayed at the Banuan Golf Club and spent some time in this emerging haven for golf lovers. Being developed just beside the shoreline, the area is just perfect for future plans for more teeing grounds, fairways, and other hazards. Perfect for picnics too. Enjoying the scenes and greens at the teeing area. Clarice Isanan, 17. On top of a scenic and calm breeze of Banuan Binloc. Danielle Joey Magno, 18. Caring for nature and environmental causes. Grace Joy Caparos, 19. Panoramic scenery of the village in the city. Juanabel Solomon, 18. 4 of the ladies chose to frolic at the pristine shores of Bunuan, still one of the busiest and sentimentally remarkable coastline in the province since the 70s. Bunuan Beach is located between Lingayen and San Fabian. U.S. forces and General MacArthur landed on this historic coastal area of Dagupan on January 12, 1945, at the bewitching hidden stretch north of the main coast area. Kimberly Camille Pasino, 18. Beguiling moment in commune with the enchanting sea. Rosalyn Suratos, 21. Gentle wind and consoling ambience at the Blue Beach. Isa Soriano, 18. Basking under the sun and loads of fun. Alpha Filipina, 19. Our ladies converged in awe and inspiration. Set at the topmost vantage point in an architectural feat overlooking the sheer magnificence and flamboyance of the place, gifted with beauty and charm. The sun sets in, creating a mesmeric radiance, thereby giving more glow rarely seen by everyone. Such an oasis of breathtaking sights, a sanctuary that must be protected and preserved, a haven of cultural landmarks. So when was the last time you've seen the city like this? This is Dagupan, our city, with more than 12 reasons to be thankful, 12 reasons of inspiration. Let's continue the journey and let's celebrate beauty. This is the enthralling race that will lead to one beauty Amazon standing. This is the grand pageant night of Miss Dagupan 2011.
As I say farewell to a wondrous reign that was, let's pave the way to these 12 beauty questors embodying the best of the city. Let's set the stage to a global slugfest of beauty. In search for the heiress of the throne, Vivian, Diwata, Jeanette, Charlotte, Clarice, Danielle, Grace Joy, Joanna Bell, Rosaline, Isa, and Alpha. Miss Dagupan 2011 Circle of Beauty.